This is Keso. Hello everyone, this is Keso, All India rank 312 in the recent UPSC CAPF examination. So I have started this series of value addition to the PYQs, in which I'll be discussing PYQs and adding some value additions so that if question comes from these topics, you'll be able to tackle them very easily. So in this video I'll be talking about four things. First one is solution to the question, and second one would be focus areas where you'll have to focus, and third one will be value addition, and fourth one will be I'll be dropping some questions in between the session so that you'll have to answer them in the comment box only. Okay, so let's move ahead. First one is this question, okay, which one among the following has the largest energy per photon? So you will have to see which one has maximum frequency, which one has maximum wavelength in this EM wave topic, and what are the properties of EM waves. So you'll have to look up to these topics, and there is a fact that EM waves do not require medium to travel. So just remember this fact, and I have given some value addition in this PDF only. And this PDF will be uploaded in the Telegram group, so you can access there. So this is the spectrum of EM waves. So just remember the order of these waves, and so that way you will be easily tackle these questions. So the first question which you will have to answer in the comment box will be why we use red as a traffic signal. Okay, and then so let's move ahead with the second question. Second question is the distance between the Lagrange points L2 and L3. It is 32 crore kilometers. Just remember this. Last year it was Lagrange point was in news because of the Aditya L1 mission, so that's why it was asked. So just remember this. And so third one is what is greenhouse gas effect? Greenhouse effect. So in this one we get confused between short wavelength radiation and long wavelength infrared radiation. So when the infrared radiation come from the sun, it is in form of short wave, and greenhouse gases, in that case they work as transparent, and radiation gets inside our atmosphere very easily. And when it goes, so it goes in form of long wave. So in that case those greenhouse gases works as opaque medium, and it does not let pass the radiation. So this effect is called as greenhouse effect. So I have given some value addition points in the PDFs below, so we'll be discussing in the coming minute. And this was a numerical problem, so just go through this through the PDF, and you will be easily understand this. And last one is different PM particle, definition of PM1 particle. So PM1 particle is have diameter less than 1 micron, and I'll be discussing about PM1, 2.5, PM5 and PM10 in coming pages of this PDF. And last one is which heat transfer mechanism does not require a medium? So radiation. Just recall this 4 or 5 times. Radiation does not require a medium. Radiation is a heat transfer mechanism which does not require a medium. And then 10th question, which one does not work on the phenomenon of electromagnetic induction? So electron microscope, it works on the principle of wave nature of electrons. You don't need to go in detail, just remember that it works on the principle of wave nature of electron. And 11, this one is which one is not correct? So you'll have to read every point wisely. They have बस इन्होंने थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम को मिनिमम होता है डेफिनेशन में मेल्टिंग पॉइंट के, सो दे हैव मिनिमम को मैक्सिमम करके डाल दिया है, and so that will be correct. So you'll have to look into every minute detail of the topics. Like this statement is directly from NCERT, but what they did is like maximum को minimum कर दिया. So you'll have to look into minute details also. And then the next question, cobalt 60 is used as is used in treatment of cancer, and I have given this also, like cobalt 60 for cancer, iodine for tumors and thyroid. So just go through this, and I'll be uploading this PDF in our Telegram group, so join there, must join there. And this has been asked in UPSC civil services prelims also. So just remember this, like why is water a good solvent? Because it has a high dipole moment. This one is ethine. Ethine is carbon-carbon triple bond. Carbon-carbon single bond is ethane. So just revise this in hydrocarbon chapters of class 11th, I think 11th in chemistry. And this one was asked in various PCS also. So if you have read Ghatna Chakra of Science, then you must have come across this so many times. And okay, so what are the main ingredients of glass? Just revise this. So, silicon, sodium carbonate, borax, alumina, and chelates. Okay, then this one, next question. Okay, like this is a basic question, like atomic number say related. So atomic number is same as number of protons. So there is relationship between all these 5 terms. Just comment down, like atomic number is equal to number of protons is equal to number of electrons. Then what is atomic mass? Atomic mass is equal to number of protons plus number of electrons. There are like 2-3 combinations. Just comment down in the comment box. So next question is endothermic process. So endothermic process and exothermic process, you must have read about it. So photosynthesis is an endothermic process. And drop down some examples of endothermic and exothermic. Next question is which one is used in manufacture of UV protective glasses? Cerium oxide. Just remember this, cerium oxide is used in manufacturing of UV protective glasses. This is pigment and their example. So natural pigment, chalk; synthetic pigment, white lead; reactive pigment, red lead; inert pigment, titanium oxide. And the next question is related to unpaired electrons. So you will have to have knowledge about unpaired electron and valence electron. So it was easily, so you can do it easily. Just go through the options. Okay. Next one is different types of biotechnology. So I have added a attachment. What are the different types of biotechnology in below? And this one is audible range for humans, 20 Hz to 20,000 kilohertz. We have been reading since class 9th only, so you must have heard about this. And this one is like for principle of inheritance, Gregor Mendel used like garden pea. He did experiments on garden pea. I have given some value addition also. In which layer plant tissue guard cells are present? Epidermis layer. In epidermis layer. This has been asked in several times in ND and CDS. So just remember this. Epidermis will be the right answer. This is the proportion of different gases in biogas. Methane. Biogas is mainly composed of methane, then CO2, and then nitrogen. Very little amount of nitrogen, but nitrogen is there. And then this has been also repeated so many times. Excess of glucose is stored in human body in form of glycogen. Just remember this. Then the next question was discovery of. We will have to arrange in chronological order. I have given value addition in the comment pages. and this was related to trophic level. This question can also be included in as part of environment section, but just let's move away, कर लेते हैं इसको यहीं पे. And like this question was related to why is the number of trophic levels of a food chain usually limited. So the answer will be okay, because of the loss of energy at each trophic level. So there is a Lindman's efficiency law, which is known as 10% law. So when we move ahead from one trophic level to another trophic level, so 90% of energy is typically lost, and only 10% of energy is transferred to the next trophic level. So that's why there is number of trophics. That's why it is the number of trophic levels is limited in different food chains. So just remember Lindman's 10% rule. And then I think this is the last question. Which one is not found in prokaryotes? So if we break the term prokaryotes, which means pro plus karyote. Pro means it's before, and karyote is nucleus. So all the before, it is called as before nucleus. So it has they lack a nucleus or a nuclear envelope. Like all the nuclear substances are present there, but they lack a nuclear envelope. Just read this. This was a very easy question, and I have given some value addition also. I will be uploading these PDFs in our Telegram group. Just join there so that you can easily revise all these questions. And comment down all the questions which I asked throughout this. This is related to this is like greenhouse gases, CO2 maximum, then CH4, then N2O, then all these. And there is the fact that carbon monoxide is not considered as a greenhouse gas. Just remember all these small facts. They will come very handy in your examination. And this will be like PM sizes. So this ultra fine PM particles less than 100 nanometer, then PM1 less than 1 micrometer, then PM2.4 less than 2.5 micrometer, PM10. Just remember this. And this was related to the different heat transfer mechanisms. So radiation does not require a medium. And there are also given some examples. Use this PDF as a value addition in your notes also. You can use them very wisely. These are the different types of biotechnology. And just remember, red was asked in last year, health, medical, diagnostics. Yellow, food biotechnology. Blue, aquaculture. Green, agricultural. Brown, arid zones and desert. Dark, bioterrorism and biowarfare. Purple is like patents, publications and inventions. It is related to majorly IPR issues. White is gene-based bioindustries. Then gold, bioinformatics and nanobiotechnology. Gold is also important. And then gray is also important, fermentation and bioprocess technology. Then this was related to the Mendel's laws. Just go through this PDF, it will help you. And there are 4 postulates and the law of inheritance. The 2 law of inheritance are important: law of segregation and law of independent assortment. This was related to Mendel's question, and this was related to chronological order. This plasmid was discovered in 1952, then DNA 1954, and there is also a question for you. You will have to comment ki who discovered the double helical structure of NDA. This is the third question. Invention of DNA in fingerprinting 1984, and Dolly was cloned in 1996. And these are the radioactive isotopes and their applications in. So that's it for this video. I hope this was helpful, and just let me know in the comment section that should I continue this series or not. And thank you.